Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing us how I turned this my late father's shirt into a trendy gown, which you'll be seeing at the end of this video. Stay tuned to watch and tell me what you think about it. So the first thing I did was to remove the hands, the sides, the pockets. I removed everything, just remaining this embroidery which was done on the neck. And then I also loosened the two sides of the dress. The shirt was already big enough, so I didn't really attempt cutting it to size for the style I wanted to use it for. So these are the sleeve and everything that I've removed. So now I'll be turning this shirt to the wrong side so that I can be able to do my cutting. I didn't want to tamper with embroidery because it's more like a reminiscence of my father's shirts. Tampering with embroidery would be like totally altering the shirt. So I wanted to maintain the embroidery that was there. So whenever I wear it, it will give me a sense that I'm still wearing my late dad shirt. So I'll be starting my measurements with measuring the width of the shirt. That is how wide it is, to know if it's enough for me for what I want to do, because I'll be making a boo-boo gown with this. So I just wanted to know how wide it's going to be for me, and it's turned out to be the width that I want it to be. So the next thing is I'll be coming down with about 2 or 1.5 inches. You can come down with 2, you can come down with 1.5 inches for me to get the shoulder slant. I had to use my own shoulder slant because a man's shoulder and a woman's shoulder is not the same. So the next thing is I am measuring the length which I want it to be. I wanted this to be a short gown. So I measured out the length I wanted, and I'll be cutting out the remaining parts which I do not need. So at this point, I'm cutting out the 1.5 inches which I marked on the shoulders. You can actually make yours 2 inches or 1 inches, depending on what you want to, on how you want it to look. But I want mine to be a little dropping, so I actually went down by 2 inches. Sorry, 1.5 inches, because I'll be joining with ½ inch later. After joining my shoulders, I'll be coming down with 10 inches. This is to create the opening for my hand to pass through. Then I'll be joining the remaining part down towards the end, and also at the bottom I'll be hemming the bottom later. But first, let me go to my machine. So at this point, I've been able to join the sides of the dress, and I left the 10 inches, which is what you're seeing right there on the screen. I left the 10 inches so my sleeve, for the sleeve, so my arm can pass. You can make yours smaller if you want a smaller size, or if you're on the bigger side, you can open it more for space. Then the next thing is these fringes. I had these fringes from a leftover sewing that I did, so I just wanted to use it to beautify the dress. This is about the 7.5 inches. If you have a longer one, like the ones of the 15 inches, which is actually the most trending at the moment, you can use that. But this is what I have. So I'll be showing you how I attach these fringes. I first of all folded the edge of the dress twice, then I placed the fringe on top, and I joined. So I'll be showing you that and the process of how I achieved this. At this point, I'm already done joining. So look how beautiful my dress is becoming. I didn't want to add more designs because I wanted to maintain the originality of this dress. I just wanted something to remind me whenever I put it on of my late dad. So this is how the fringes look. So at the moment, right now, I'm going to give this dress a good press and wash it, dry clean it very well, and I'll be rocking it to church on Sunday. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to see how this dress turned out. Bye.